we are trying out the viral miracle knot style with hair from Eon Hair. So this is a video you do not want to miss out on. The style is super easy, lightweight, and I mean, obviously it's gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I do not look like Coolio for just no reason. There is a method to my madness. We are doing some miracle knots today, and I was sent some hair from Eon Hair. And so let me just explain the braids first. So this is not going to be a full DIY project here on my hair. I did pay for a pre-parting service. So if you don't know what a pre-parting service is, it's when you go to a braider, they part your hair and braid. She braided maybe like an inch down and then just left the rest as is. But it saves so much time. It really saves so much time, because if I was to part my hair and braid it myself, it would take me all day long, and I did not really want to do that. So I paid for a pre-parting service. I'm gonna put her information here. Styled by Jay. She is a doll. Her name is Crochet. I go to her all the time to get my hair braided. Even my daughter goes to get her hair braided by her. So she's amazing. I just did not feel like doing the parts, the braids, all that, bringing out the three-way mirror. No, did not want to do that today. So I did do a little bit of cheating with the process. So again, she did braid maybe an inch down or so. And then I just finished the braid almost to the end. And that only took maybe 45 minutes or so. So these are medium-sized parts. And so as far as the hair that was sent over from Eon Hair, I received 4 packs of hair. And this is the feather crochet hair. It is their water curly texture in 20 inches. So the color is a 1B color. And let me just take it out so you can see what the hair looks like. Now, I really wish that I would have washed this hair prior to installing, but life has been lifing, and we are just gonna start right here. All right, so here is the hair, and it kind of reminds me of like the Burmese curl pattern, because we have this like little ringlet down here at the bottom. So again, the color is a 1B. It is 20 inches long. And then, so let me just show you an individual piece. So each bundle, each bag of hair has 50 strands in it, I believe. I'll have to double check on all of that. But so technically 2 packs is 1 pack, and then 4 packs is 2 packs, if that makes any sense. You know what? At the end of this video, I'm gonna get it right and give you all the information that you need on this hair. But let me just show you what the hair looks like. So here is 1 strand of hair, and as you can see, we have this little string here, right here in the middle. And so it's string and then hair on the other side. So this is what we are going to be working with today. I have been watching tons of videos on miracle knots and trying to see how I wanted to do it. So we're gonna work this out. It's gonna be a learning process together. I'm just gonna see how it does. I'm a little nervous here, to be honest with you, but I am really excited to do this, because this is the last hairstyle that I'm doing on my hair before I make a major change in my hair. So yes, we are going to be getting down with this together. So I'm just going to do a voiceover from here to almost the end. When I come back, all glammed up. I look a mess right now, whatever, but I'm going to do a voiceover while I try to kind of figure this out with you all. All right, guys, so I did want to show you my braids outside of those Coolio ponytails. My hair is about 50% relaxed. So yes, this can be done on relaxed hair. I did half of my head off camera just so that I could get the hang of the style and how to install this hair. So now I'm going to do it together. So I have my crochet hook and 1 single strand of this crochet hair. Now about a 1/2 inch from the base of my braid, I am going to insert my crochet hook. I am going to put the hair into the crochet hook and feed it through the braid. And then I'm going to take the ends of the hair and bring it through the loop to secure. On each braid, I installed about 2 to 3 pieces of the crochet hair. At the back of my hair, I only did 2 pieces. Towards the top, I did 3. For this braid, I'm only going to do 2. So I'm going to insert my crochet hook again about midway-ish up the braid. This time, I'm going to pull out one side of that crochet hair. So now we have 3 pieces, and we're just going to braid all the way down. So 3 pieces meaning both sides of the crochet hair and then my own hair. So with those 3 strands, you're going to braid all the way to the bottom. I am editing this video a week later, and I can tell you that this hair does not unravel. So I have had no slippage of this hair at all. I'm going to show you this again. I'm going to insert my crochet hook about 1/2 inch from the base of the braid, put the crochet hair on the hook, bring it through the braid, take the ends of the hair and loop it through that hole. Do this again about halfway down the braid, this time taking one side of that crochet hair through the braid. As you see, we have the crochet hair, my hair, and the crochet hair. And now just braiding it all the way down till we get to the ends of my hair. Since I will be reusing this hair, I'm not going to use a knot or any kind of nail glue to secure. It is very secure, I promise you. I finished and I'm all the way up to my last braid. Same process, inserting the crochet hook about 1/2 inch from the base of the braid, looping the crochet hair onto the hook, sliding it through the braid, and then inserting the ends of the crochet hair through that loop. Since this braid at the top of my hair is super thin, caused from damage, I'm only going to insert one other piece. So crocheting the hair through the braid and bringing out one side of the crochet hair and braiding all the way to the bottom of my hair. Pay attention to your hair and how much of the crochet hair it can hold. For a majority of my braids, I did install about 3 pieces of the crochet hair. One 1/2 inch from the base of the braid, a second one about halfway down the braid, and another one towards the end of the hair where I braid with my hair all the way to the bottom. With miracle knots, there is no right or wrong way to do it. You have control over how thick or how thin you want this hair to look. For me personally, 2 to 3 strands per braid was just right for me, mainly because my hair is not that long at all. So 2 packs was the right amount of hair. This hair is so lightweight and effortless, and a style that I can do over and over and over again because this hair is human and reusable. Alright guys, so it is the very next day and I am finished with my miracle knot. So as I am putting on a little bit of edge control, I'm going to give you my thoughts, my feels, and provide you all the specs on this hair too. I have the website pulled up, so I am well prepared to give you all the information that you need to know. Okay, so I did end up installing pretty much, okay, so let me break this down first. So 1 pack of hair is basically 2 of these. So if you order 1 pack, you'll receive 2 of these little bags. If you order 2 packs, you'll receive 4 of these little bags. So I had 2 packs, which was 4 of these little bags. I use pretty much majority of 3 little bags like this. So I would definitely suggest, if you are going to do the miracle knots style, to get 2 packs. So that equates to about 200 strands of these little hairs. And so again, these are 20 inches. The style is Eon Water Burmese lightweight curly hair, and it is human hair. So yes, you can wash this, you can dye it if you really wanted to, you can wet it down, you can put product on it, whatever the case may be. It's supposed to mimic 3B to 4A curly hair, and it is reusable. So I'm gonna kind of touch on that as well as to why I installed the hair the way that I did it. So let me take this out of the pack. So I do have 1 of these whole bags left, and then a couple of strands from 1 of the other bags. So here is the hair. Let me take this little netting off so I can give you a better look at the curl pattern and how it looks just straight out of the pack. So here it is again, has this little ringlet down at the bottom. Now I did not apply any kind of product to this hair whatsoever. For me personally, when I install human hair into braids, I kind of want to let the hair marinate first, if that makes any sense, before I put any kind of product product in it. So this is pretty much just it straight out of the pack, just separated. So here are the curls, just straight out of the pack. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I feel like it's still absolutely gorgeous on, which is why I really don't want to spray water and put mousse or a lot of body or anything on that as of yet. But this hair is so super lightweight. So again, this is the very next day. All I did to preserve this hair at night was to gather it all up into just one ponytail, kind of like a pineapple, and then put a braiding bonnet on, and then that's just how I slept. And then just woke up, fluffed it out a little bit, and then grabbed the top portion and just put it into a ponytail at the top of my hair. So let me go ahead and put this edge control on. I did say that I was going to do that. With my install, I'm only planning on keeping this up a couple of weeks. So with me not really securing the end of the braid, so you saw that I just crocheted a piece towards the end of the braid and then just braided it down. Now if I was going to wear this long term, like for a month and a half, then I would maybe just like secure it with a little knot or put some nail glue on it. But if you put nail glue on it, then it's going to be really hard to reuse the hair. So maybe just like a single slip knot, or just do it the way I did it. As of right now, I have not had any kind of slippage or anything, but again, and this is only what, day one. So the hair is just so lightweight. It was so comfortable sleeping with this hair, so I really have no complaints about that. The length is absolutely gorgeous. So they have 16 inches all the way up to 22 inches. And the edge control that I'm using is just Baskin Lather, my favorite edge control. Smells like fresh strawberries, absolutely loves it. What else do I think about this hair? Okay, so as far as price, so one pack, which is going to be about 100 strands, so 2 of those little bags, is going to be $142. Now again, this is a DIY hairstyle. You can definitely do this at home by yourself. You do not have to go to a braider. Again, I did cheat just a little bit because parting my hair and braiding it just takes forever. I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to that. So I would rather just, at this point, at my big age, I would pay for convenience. Now you can go to a braider to do the entire hairstyle, but again, you're paying for the hair, you're paying for the service. That's a lot. That is a lot. To pre-part my hair, she only charged me $50. And with me not spraying any kind of product or anything on this hair, the curls are still intact. Just look at those little ringlets down at the bottom. Super duper cute. I am going to take this out of the ponytail just so that I can show you what it looks like down, turn around, show you the back, all of that good stuff. Also, when I do decide to like wet the hair down, I'm just going to use a spray bottle, spray some water on it, use maybe a little bit of Lotta Body. And then I just got this in the mail. It's an unbrush like curl brush. I really like this. So let me take this out the box so you can see what this looks like. Now you can always use like a paddle brush or a Denman brush, but this looks so convenient. So all you're going to do is brush down the hair and then flip it over to the side to kind of get the hairs into these little grooves here, and that's going to automatically define the curls. So definitely will be utilizing this when I do wet the hair down. But I'm just going to take this down so you can see what it looks like. This was such an easy hairstyle to do. And it's so extremely full. The curls are absolutely gorgeous, and I love that it's majority curls instead of braids. This is how I always wanted like my boho braids to look, but they never turned out that way. So I'm just gonna tuck this behind my ear because it's kind of sticking up from the ponytail. All right. Okay. All right, so here is all the hair down. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back as well. but here is the front and then the side. So again, right now it's super poofy because I have not applied any kind of product to it whatsoever. So side, and this is the back. Again, super lightweight. It barely feels like I have anything at all on my head. Here's the other side and front. And then also I do want to say that Eon Hair did send out this little cute pack with the hair. So it has a clip, a rat tooth comb, edge brush, and a crochet hook. So this is pretty much all that you need to install the hair, and this is included in the pack that they send you. So that is pretty much it for this review. I'm going to put everything down in the description box below, a link to Eon Hair, a link to this specific what is this? The Burmese water curly 20-inch crochet human hair. And if I do have any kind of promo code, I'll put that down there as well. But again, this is a hairstyle you must try. It is super viral right now. It is definitely trending and it looks gorgeous. You could do it for yourself. Yeah, so that concludes this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.